I offer you a recipe for a flavored chicken soup with mushrooms and buckwheat to diversify the menu. Chicken fillet 300 grams, cut into small cubes and put in a saucepan to cook. When the water boils, remove the foam, reduce the heat. Potatoes 4 pieces. Peel, wash and cut into cubes. Add potatoes and buckwheat to a saucepan, half a glass. Cook for 10 minutes. The more buckwheat, the thicker the soup. Onions 1%. Peel, cut into small cubes. Fry onion and garlic 2 cloves in heated vegetable oil until golden brown. Peel carrots 1 piece, wash, grate on a coarse grater. Add to the pan and fry with onions and garlic for a couple of minutes. Champignons 300 grams, rinsed, cut into cubes or slices. Add chopped mushrooms to vegetables, fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Add fried vegetables to buckwheat soup. Add spices and salt to taste and cook until the potatoes are tender. When serving as desired, add chopped herbs and sour cream. Enjoy your meal. I wish you delicious culinary masterpieces. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.